Hey guys, Tommy T back again. This is the final build of the MSI. Here goes the back plate, the logo on there. Dual back plates, you see that right there. And you got the logo, the pumps in place with the push-pull configuration fan. Everything's all in place. All the LEDs is good to go. And we're looking mighty sexy. Sleeving, cable sleeving, so with the cones, looking good. 24 pin. Everything in here is awesome. So let's go ahead and get some temp reading. So right now it's pretty stable and idle, about 28, 25, 26, 30, but I haven't seen any more higher than that. So that's card 1, card 2 on here. So let's open up Heaven's benchmark. We'll go ahead and do extreme, and we'll run a quick benchmark on it, just to let you see what temp we're getting and what frame per second we're getting on here. So here we go. Alright, so that's where we at. So let's go ahead and benchmarking and show you the frames. So the maximum frames per second is continues to climb. Currently, I overclocked the processor to the 4.0 megahertz right now with the MSI command center. It's just an auto clock. It's a 4.0, nothing fancy. So we had 230 frames per second. Actually not bad at all. Not bad at all. And also overclocked the card a little bit as well. So this is my clock setup. And you see on here. So the temperature is rising at this moment for the overclock. Oh, and we're done. So I max out at 252 frames per second, 135 for the 2 card. You can see on the NVIDIA 2 card i7 processor in there. 970 cards, see right there, 970 cards. So please subscribe, comment what you think about my build. It was a good build. Was not a good build. Let me know. And I think the next video we could do is play some games, and you gotta check out how everything works. But so far everything was awesome. It runs great. Temp is dropping very fast, rapidly. You see earlier it was at 40 something Celsius. Now it's actually already dropping just like that, dropping from 42 down to 30. It normally stay around 30, low 30, even in game modes and so far. So we'll catch you next time. Please subscribe, comment. Tommy T out. Peace.